From the Detroit Free Press, it's Tuesday, July 6th. Here are today's top stories, presented by Bush's Fresh Food Market. Calling all foodies, Bush's is hiring. Are you passionate about food, looking for growth, development, and excellent wages? Come grow with Bush's and apply online at bushes.com/join our team. That's Bush's, BUSCHS.com/join our team.
This is J.C. Reindl for the Detroit Free Press. The proposed mega merger of Beaumont and Grand Rapids-based Spectrum hospitals could result in higher healthcare prices in Metro Detroit. Even though there's no geographic overlap between the two systems, the merger would still create the biggest hospital system in Michigan by far, and that size could give it stronger negotiating leverage with insurers like Blue Cross. That's more leverage than Beaumont and Spectrum have on their own. It is true that mergers between hospital systems like Beaumont and Spectrum that aren't direct competitors haven't been studied as much. But the few studies that are out there say that if the mergers happen in the same state, prices can increase 7 to 9%. Those higher prices impact patients in the form of out-of-pocket costs, higher insurance premiums, and even lower wages.
I'm Frank Witzel with the Detroit Free Press. A new list of Michigan's 20 most dangerous intersections ranked by crashes in 2020, shows all but 4 of them are in Metro Detroit. The very worst intersection, 18.5 Mile and Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights, had an average of 5 crashes every 2 weeks. The worst intersection for injuries was in Warren. The list, which the Michigan auto law firm in Farmington Hills, a plaintiff's firm for what else but auto collisions, is based on police accident report data for the last year. By publishing the list, the firm said it aims to help drivers avoid, or be more careful in, dangerous intersections. The higher number of crashes in Metro Detroit, the firm said, was likely due to the higher population in the Tri-County area. The other intersections on the list were also in higher population counties, Washtenaw and Kent. The full list of intersections is online at freep.com.
This is Minna Arshad with the Detroit Free Press, bringing you the latest on Michigan road construction this summer. Motorists heading through western Wayne County will face a new challenge starting Tuesday, when the Michigan Department of Transportation starts a massive project to rebuild 24 miles of I-275. Construction will affect 7 Metro Detroit communities. Besides road repairs and rebuilding, the project includes sidewalk improvements for people with disabilities, drainage upgrades, and revamping 65 bridges. Starting Tuesday, I-275 will have 1 lane open in each direction between I-94 and South Huron Road. Pennsylvania Road over I-275 will be closed with a detour to Sibley Road. For more information on road closures and project updates, visit www.revive275.org and visit freep.com for more details.
I'm Kirkland Crawford with the Free Press Sports Department, checking in on Michigan basketball. The Wolverines got some good news on Monday, bolstering their backcourt. DeVante Jones announced he was pulling out of the NBA draft and would be completing his transfer from Coastal Carolina to Michigan. Last season, the 6'1" guard averaged 19.3 points, 7.2 rebounds, and 2.9 assists for the Chanticleers out of the Sun Belt Conference, good enough to reach the CBI tournament. Expect him to fill the role another transfer from last season is leaving behind in Mike Smith, who came over from Columbia to become one of the Wolverines' vital cogs. Another one of those cogs could be announcing his return soon, too. Hunter Dickinson, last year's Big Ten Freshman of the Year, has until Wednesday to announce whether he'll stay in the draft or return to school.
For more stories from the Detroit Free Press, be sure to check out freep.com. That's FREEP.com. If you're a fan and want to support our quality local journalism, subscribe. Go to freep.com/special offer.